in, show some love. That for the Cloud Chaser TV. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this on Facebook and Twitter for me. Gang. Matter of fact, I'm about to post a link. About to go do a Clubhouse real quick. Hold on. Yeah, you say he gonna beat it. He can beat it indeed. Then the Feds coming. They go off points. Atlanta is Democrat state. It takes money. Glad they have access to money because once the Feds come in, it's over. Yeah, I definitely think it's a play to try to deplete their funds and shit. They trying to deplete their funds. You feel me? Shit, wow. We look for this. I'm gonna post that shit about Jay Prince. I'll probably do it tomorrow morning. Jay Prince been going in. I'm getting the link ready right now, gang. What y'all been on though? And this YouTube should be pissing me off. Like how they don't be sending all my notifications and shit. It's like they be being biased towards a nigga. Like, show me some love, man. Yeah, but damn, this shit crazy. I bet you rappers like right now at this point, if you a rapper and you want to be a rapper, like it's kind of bugged out being a rapper. Like Jim Jones said it, and shit, he wasn't lying. He said that shit is dangerous being a rapper, and I believe him. I believe him. Like kids, if you trying to be a rapper, don't do it. All right, y'all. So I just posted the link. I just started the room. So y'all click that link, that StreamYard link. Come on over, man. Let's get it. Yeah, so y'all should be able to click that link now. The StreamYard link. That's not the StreamYard link, but the I posted the Clubhouse link. So y'all should be able to click that link, come right on over into the Clubhouse. Feel me? We about to continue the discussion over here and shit. You feel me? Let's get it. Yo, salute everybody. Ping up on Clubhouse for me. Let's get this shit busting. Everybody on YouTube, click that ping link in blue, and yeah, come on over. Yo, what's good? What's good? Good. What's good? YouTube be tripping sometimes. They randomly upsub me from channels and I don't be knowing. Yeah, they be tripping, man. I don't know what's to YouTube when they be tripping like that. Yeah, everybody ping up. Let's ping up. So y'all click that link. Clubhouse is the Fed chat. I'm dead. That's only if you talking Fed shit. You gonna go federal, my boy. Every time. You don't gotta be on Clubhouse to do that. You talk that shit on your phone, goddamn it. Your ass fucking around, go federal. Don't talk that shit on Facebook either. Or Instagram or Snapchat or any of them damn social medias. If you in the way, Your ass better start staying out the way. That's a fact. Never go on Clubhouse. Yeah, we got the link posted. The link is posted in at the top. It's the blue link. It says ping at the top. Click that link. You'll be able to come right on over. You feel me? And then I got some people in the audience. Let me bring y'all up. If y'all hit y'all hand raising, we'll be able to come right up, pull you right up. Hand raising is like the little hand when you see it at the bottom of the app. Let's get it. Shit crazy. Yo, 730, what's good? Yeah, bro. You see this shit with YF and Lucci, bro? Like, I mean, not just YF and Lucci, but Young Thug, Gunna. They said they arrested Gunna because he wears a YSL chain. They say they want Jack Harlow because he got a picture wearing a YSL chain. He ain't need YSL. That nigga with DJ Drummer in them. Bro, that lady, that new DA, it's a new DA in Atlanta, bro. She want all the smoke. But this is what she fucked me up, though. She said that this will fuck me up, bro. She said that 80% of the crimes that's being committed inside of Atlanta is a result of YSL. Like, get the fuck out. I don't even believe. I lived in Atlanta for 5 years. I don't believe that shit. That sound crazy. Because shit, YSL. Yeah, this shit deep. This shit deep. Yeah, it's cleanup season. Matter of fact, I'm gonna post since y'all don't want to come over here on Clubhouse. Let me post the Clubhouse link so y'all can at least hear this shit. Hold on, gang. So y'all can hear this shit. Yo, salute, bro. Salute. Everybody, y'all just came in this Clubhouse room. Can y'all share the room to Clubhouse and shit? Need like 50 shares to get in the hallway. 50 people on here. Got about 170 on YouTube. About to play this audio over there too. So let me see. What y'all think about this though, man? Shit, wow. You said she using the RICO as a tool and she ready to pull that card at any moment. Yeah. Uh
Do Birdman have diplomatic immunity? Can somebody answer that for me, please?
Do Birdman have what?
Diplomatic immunity.
That's what he said.
Who said that?
There's a video.
Said that?
Yeah. He said you have diplomatic immunity. But that's what I'm trying to see, because shit, he'll get caught up in that wiretap too. Cause he put that hit out on Lil Wayne.
Allegedly. I don't know about
allegedly, whatever allegedly. What's up, bro? I'm gonna fall back though, bro. I'm not used to talking on this.
Chuck, everybody can hear you. The person who shot at Lil Wayne allegedly.
Roscoe, he got out. He got out like what? He was fighting this case maybe 3 years or something.
But now allegedly he's back locked up in this indictment.
He definitely back locked up in this indictment, and he definitely got out of the 56 counts. He got some of them. He got most of the counts.
So she must be tight. Like he allegedly called that hit, and then the nut shit.
Yep. Young Thug. They said that Young Thug rented an Infinity to, do was associated with the killing of Nut. He went and rented an Infinity from Enterprise.
There's a connection between YFN Lucci, Wayne, and his daughter.
YFN Lucci, Wayne, and his daughter. Yeah, it's a connection there because we know how like YFN Lucci used to fuck with Jerica, right? Ain't that's her name, Jerica, which is Young Thug's ex. But they say that YFN Lucci might have dated her before Young Thug, and then now you got the Lil Wayne situation. Young Thug's supposed to be in tour with Lil Wayne, and YFN Lucci was dating Lil Wayne's daughter. So it's definitely a connection there, but I don't know if it's a connection where, it results into someone going to prison.
Yeah, I got that Birdman audio if y'all want to hear that shit.
Yeah, let's hear that shit, bro. He talking about he diplomatic. I ain't never heard that.
Let me know how the audio sound.
There's a video. Look it up.
Bread over bed. Bread before my bed.
Bro, play it.
DJ Scoob Doo. Nigga, this is my different thing. I just got this shit, so that means I'm good anywhere in the motherfucking world. Yeah. Dude, they can't bring me to jail. Put strapping good with anything but a nerve.
A true leader does what is right in the face of adversity and does not let ego destroy opportunity.
Kind of going in and out.
Yeah, he said he pretty much good with anything but a murder.
How the hell he get that? I thought he was black like the rest of us, bro.
He
got
might
money.
be capping.
Maybe he claimed his sovereign citizenship or some shit.
He might be capping on your big snitch, allegedly. And I'm from New Orleans, you heard?
What you mean by that though? Like
I don't mean
his brother, I seen his brother paperwork, but how he get involved?
I don't know, bro. I'm just trying to figure out how he get diplomatic immunity. That's
It might claim your sovereignty because when you claim your sovereignty, you good on everything except murder.
He probably he got enough money to make that happen. But it's like he do got enough. Like this the thing, because you remember when Mos Def claimed his, they kicked his ass out of the country, right? But Mos Def ain't paying as much taxes as fucking Birdman paying. I can tell you that much right now. That nigga Birdman probably paying, man, who knows in taxes? Probably $100 million a year.
I remember he tatted a Earl well on his head. You heard me?
I remember one interview.
Man been riding his fall paying in jail. Been down there within 5 years. Huh? So retype that, Johnny boy. I didn't understand that one. Won't let me get in Clubhouse. Anybody can file that shit. Y'all tweaking. Yeah, anybody can file it. But what I'm saying is, like, specifically, when Mos Def filed his, they end up sending his ass, like, because you would denounce your citizenship here. So now you telling them that you're not a citizen. So they like, you know what? We don't even want you here no more. But I'm saying, like, they would never probably do that to a Birdman because Birdman probably paying $100 million a year in taxes. You got to think about how much Mos Def was probably paying in taxes. Probably not that much. I'm going to go with that. Like 100%, he wasn't paying no $100 million a year in taxes.
Fuck Birdman untouchable, man. So the feds ain't gonna fuck with him. Everybody else got to watch this show.
Mos Def moved to Africa. Mos Def didn't have no choice, I don't think. Just StreamYard, Big Bro, Clubhouse, L. Yeah, I'm on StreamYard right now. Y'all should be able to hear me on both. Young Thug can go grab a snicker and he gonna be a while.
Somebody posted a joint where Young Thug was talking about if it's like a couple years ago. If he got to go sit down and do 20, 25 years, he gonna go get a boo job and do the time with the bitches.
Young Thug is out.
Casanova 2 times. We might well hold him a cell. It's gonna be his cellar. Young Thug out of jail? Hell no. You'll see Young Thug in probably about 10 years from now. That's right.
I'm about
It was a
to
10.
play y'all the footage over here.
But the offense here is Mr. Williams is only indicted on count 50.
All right, great. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Jeffrey Williams. My name is Judge Rashida Oliver. You are here on a bench, what we call our benchmark calendar for Fulton County Superior Court. Be aware that on this calendar, you are here because you have been indicted under 22 SC 182273 for conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organization Act and participation in criminal street gang activity. I brought you forward so that you can be put on notice that for the felony charges that you receive, you are to be presented before the judge, Honorable Judge Earl Glanville, at the next available calendar that will be presented in courtroom 8F at 9:30 a.m. The date at which you are to appear at this time, I am not aware of. But be aware that you have the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself while you are there and anywhere else. Anything that you say can be used against you. It is my understanding that you are being represented by Attorney Brian Steele, and the District Attorney's Office, Don Geary, are also on. So I wanted to make sure that you were fully aware of that. 88 Geary, is there anything else that you would need to add? And then I will hear from Attorney Brian Steele.
Judge, respectfully, I think you've already stated that there's not a bond issue. There's not really a first appearance other than you're verifying his counsel, which would handle the first appearance issue. One thing I want to put on the record, Judge, and thank you for giving me the opportunity, is at an appropriate time, we're going to file an objection or notice of objection to Attorney Steele. While he's a brother attorney, he has represented multiple people on the indictment, and we feel that a conflict would exist, and we just want the record clear on that. At the appropriate time, we'll move forward with that.
All right, anything, Attorney Steele?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Mr. Williams. Your Honor, I do represent Mr. Williams. I've entered, or should be entered, an appearance as counsel. My understanding from Uniform Superior Court Rule 26.1H, as in Hillary, that at the first appearance, this honorable court shall consider bond if the offense is not one that is bondable only by a superior court judge. I heard what you said as well, but the offense here is Mr. Williams is only indicted on count 56 and count 1, which is a criminal street gang activity and a conspiracy to commit racketeering. And both of those, I believe, are within your breast to set bond, and I would like bond to be heard by your honorable court. As far as conflict, I'm sorry.
No, go ahead. Thank you. And certainly, go ahead, Attorney Steele. I want to make sure I hear you out.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you. And as far as the conflict, Mr. Geary, as well as District Attorney Willis, have explained that to me, and I believe that if they file the right motion, a hearing will be held. And under the law, this is not an actual conflict of interest. It is a potential conflict of interest, which can be waived. And I believe that will happen.
All right, thank you. Attorney Steele, I certainly understand. And if I were sitting solely as a magistrate, I believe you would be correct with the stating of the law itself. But as I am sitting as Superior Court Fulton County delegated judge, there is specific delegation order for which I am operating under that indicates that the authority to set bail is simply not delegated for any case, regardless of the charges involved, that has been indicted and assigned to the docket of the Superior Court judge. And that is the order in which I am following. And so because I am doing so, I'm not at liberty to do a bond unless I have some additional authority to do so. And at this time, I do not. So unfortunately, you will have to submit your motion for a bond directly to the Superior Court judge that is handling this case, which is Judge Earl Glanville. So
I'll do it.
right, certainly. So the order of the court on today is that he's been put on notice. He's not gotten a first appearance.
Always watch.
Charges, some of them charged with murder and attempted robbery. An 80-page indictment lays out several of the robbery of popular rapper Young Thug and more than 20
Now they saying they're gonna use his lyrics in this case. They're gonna use his lyrics in the case. I'm playing this
attempted robbery. An 80-page indictment lays out several of the rapper's songs as evidence.
Let's get straight to Hope Ford. She's been digging into how those words can be used against him. She joins us live in the studio. Hope?
Yeah, the indictment says the lyrics show involvement in some of the crimes those people are accused of. But could there be First Amendment issues? Checked with attorneys to find out.
9 of Young Thug's songs used as evidence, with lyrics such as, "I never killed anybody, but I got something to do with that body," and "I killed his man in front of his mama." The indictment saying these words used after the murder of Donovan Thomas, the leader of a rival gang, one of the people charged with his death, a member of Thug's YSL label. District Attorney Fonnie Willis says,
I believe in the First Amendment. It's one of our most precious rights. However, the First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it as evidence if it is such.
Legal analyst Paige Pate says it may be hard to use music as proof of a crime.
I've not seen a successful challenge to these Georgia laws that allow that kind of evidence to be used as evidence of a crime in a criminal trial. But I do think that's going to be problematic for the state.
But attorney Daryl Cohen believes, coupled with other evidence, the lyrics add substance.
It's just piece by piece by piece. And taken by themselves, they probably don't mean a lot. But when you put them together, what do you have? A big RICO conspiracy.
Using rap lyrics as evidence is not new, but there's conflicting results. Rapper Tekashi 6ix9ine's lyrics were used in his 2018 trial, where it was discovered he was not a gang member, even though he said he was in his songs. In 2016, rapper Tay K was convicted of murder, using a music video as evidence. And in 2018, rapper Vontae Skinner's lyrics were used in his attempted murder trial. His conviction was overturned when the New Jersey Supreme Court ruled the jury wouldn't have found him guilty if they weren't made to listen to his lyrics. Still, Cohen believes Willis's tactic of using Thug's music as proof of gang activity is the right way to go.
And Thug's attorney maintains Thug's rap label is not a street gang, and there's no basis to include the rapper in the indictment. Now, attorneys not associated with this case say even if Thug is a member of a gang, it will be a challenge to prove he had knowledge and intent of crimes committed by other members.
Yeah, so I did the research. Oh, my bad. Hold on, bro. Yeah, I did the research on Young Thug and this whole that he did an interview with Hot 97. That shit appears to be a scam. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't it. Y'all gotta it ain't it. He ain't out of jail. It's fake. So y'all get in the comments, let me know what y'all think, man. Hey, click that link. Get over there to yeah, they not gonna get him on no shut. He got that lawyer. They not gonna get him on shit. He got that lawyer. That's ridiculous, man. You know how many crimes I've heard in this country music. Yeah, they wanna use Young Thug lyrics against him. Like, but what lyrics they gonna use? Like, usually when I hear Young Thug, he talking about party, that shit, slam shit, like partying and shit. Like maybe they gonna now his old music. He talked a few, about a little things here and there, but so what they gonna do? Pull his old music? And I get it. They basically saying that he been under investigation since damn near 2012. They saying that the new DA promised Nut Mother that she was gonna prosecute these motherfuckers who killed him. So send a new link for Clubhouse. All right. Oh, you know what? Let me send a new link. Clubhouse. This shit crazy. Young Thugger. Young Thugger. Yeah, try it now. I just posted a new link. Let me pull this Clubhouse link back up so y'all can hear us over there.
And letters and picked up on codes. What you did, stabbed?
We have the RICO, like we've got another name for it because of views, right? But the police or the whoever you call it, the district attorney, they're not going to create a case without the information. They have to be watching it and having fucking, like, they have to have information. They're going to rock over to someone's door and say, hey, dude, you're a big rapper. We're going to do you for RICO. So someone's been telling, that's 100%. They'll come out in the next couple of months.
Yeah, like it's 28 people on that case. Remove 3. You remove Gunna, remove Young Thug, and remove Roscoe. There's another 25 people. They saying that this case, they saying that they've been pretty much watching them since 2012, 2013. They trying to say that Young Thug rented a vehicle that was involved in a murder in 2015. They trying to say that that shooting with that Lil Wayne alleged tour bus, they trying to even tie that back into the fold. So it's like, it's crazy, bro. Honestly, it's like these guys got millions and millions of dollars. These black men coming out these poverty-stricken neighborhoods, they not coming out and going to Calabasas and moving to fucking California and not giving back to the community. They actually stand in their cities, stand in their county, paying their taxes, probably helping 20, 30 people around them get up and get millions of dollars. They mad about that shit, bro. They really mad about it.
Young Thug bailed out 30 of his comrades, bro. I mean, that's respect, bro. Like, at the end of the day, to make their money. Sorry, I land on that.
If one of them takes it to trial, we could find out who the fucking rats are and all that shit.
Sometimes on these big cases, you've got confidential informants that won't speak. There'll just be a statement of a confidential informant. You know, you got to remember that too. Just because someone snitched doesn't mean you're going to see them or know who they are.
I guess
if they cop out, you won't know who it is. But if they take it to trial, they got to reveal who it is. Okay.
Whoever this person is, though, this is the crazy part. Whoever that person is, bro, it probably ain't no rapper. It's probably somebody that's real close to them, who they been laughing and giggling in their face for a minute, and they probably sitting there thinking like, damn, I can't believe this shit. I can't believe it's you. It's one of them type of situations. Yeah.
What's the deal? Salute anyway. But hey, Chuck, you think the property, the purchase of the 100 acres, you think that might have anything to do with them turning the heat up?
As far as what though?
No, Young Thug just purchased 100 acres. I'm kind of spinning off what you just said in respect to them doing stuff for the community.
Yeah, you're right. You know, they like, bro, they clearly they don't like that type of shit because we hear, like, I lived in Atlanta for 5 years. I heard nothing but good things about Young Thug all through that city. And probably because he actually feeding his people. Like, he making sure they get home. You know what I'm saying? And same thing with Lil Baby. They trying to say the Lil Baby shit is a game. They locked up Gunna because he wears a YSL chain and he wears that in the videos. But the man is signed to YSL. He just released a hit song called Push P under YSL. So it's like they definitely being targeted, bro. Rappers, if you want to be a rapper, your best bet is just wait that 10 years and go be a doctor and ball out that way.
Yo.
They had the #1 album in the country, in the world at one stage, so, you know.
They said the smallest charge comes with a 10 to 20 years life sentence type shit.
20, minimum 20.
Thing is this is a state RICO and not a federal RICO. So those are two different things, fellas.
A state RICO is
didn't go international, man.
It's not. See, this is the thing. A lot of people are like, yeah, well, they were saying in the comments earlier that basically it's a state and the feds gonna come in and pick it up. No. It has been cases where the feds have come and take over a state, but believe me, the feds already seen this case, and they probably don't want nothing to do with it because it ain't as solid as they like their cases to be. Home runs.
That
So
part.
with that being said, this case is probably like, this shit probably about to crumble in a few months. You feel me? Because how you got a whole man in jail? How you looking for a whole man to put him on a RICO because he wear a chain? Even down to the Jack Harlow. He not even
Some
signed
bullshit,
to
bro.
YSL. He signed a DJ drummer, but because he got a picture, there's one picture that he's wearing a YSL chain, they talk about he should be in jail with him too. Ain't that some shit?
Hold on, Chuck. Though when they
by Drake, you heard?
when they do the RICO, man, like you said, they want a solid case, so they're not gonna come at nobody that they don't have some type of evidence on, whether it's a
That's the
phone
feds, though,
conversation.
bro. That's not the state. You mistaken the feds on how the feds move with a 97% conviction rate. That's not the state, though.
Okay, so a RICO is
Yeah,
still
with
a
a
RICO.
RICO, you gotta have past and present crimes. You gotta. They got.
They said
evidence.
10
They got
years.
proof.
When the lady got up there
Yeah,
on
but
the
that nigga Young
stage,
Thug only got 2 counts out of the 56 counts. So like even like I said, even with the RICO, like y'all saying, you gotta have all this and that. It's all about conspiracy when it comes to RICOs. So they try to make shit up. They try to make shit up like, yeah, well, you made that phone call to Jimbo, and Jimbo went to go buy 50 bricks, and it's probably because of you.